Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very much real and rapidly evolving: AI bioengineering. Are we on the cusp of rewriting life's code? Let's find out. For centuries, humanity has sought to understand and manipulate the natural world. From cultivating crops to selective breeding of animals, we've always been tinkering with life. But what we're talking about today goes far beyond traditional methods. We're entering an era where artificial intelligence is becoming a powerful partner in the lab, helping us design, predict, and even create biological systems at an unprecedented scale. At its core, bioengineering is about applying engineering principles to biological systems. Think about it: our bodies are incredibly complex machines, built from countless tiny components. Traditionally, scientists would painstakingly experiment, often through trial and error, to understand how these components work and how to modify them. This is where AI steps in, acting as an incredibly intelligent and efficient assistant. So, what exactly is AI bioengineering? It's the convergence of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced biological techniques like genetic engineering, synthetic biology, and proteomics. AI algorithms can analyze vast datasets of biological information, from entire genomes to protein structures, identifying patterns and making predictions that would be impossible for humans alone. Point 1. Drug discovery and development. The process of bringing a new drug to market is notoriously long, expensive, and often ends in failure. It can take over a decade and cost billions of dollars. Why? Because finding a molecule that effectively targets a disease without harmful side effects is like finding a needle in a cosmic haystack. AI is revolutionizing this. Machine learning models can predict how different compounds will interact with biological targets, screen millions of potential drug candidates virtually, and even design entirely new molecules from scratch. This drastically speeds up the initial stages of drug discovery, identifying promising leads much faster and with higher accuracy. Companies are already using AI to find new antibiotics, develop cancer therapies, and even accelerate vaccine development, as we saw with the recent pandemic. 2. Genetic engineering and CRISPR. CRISPR-Cas9, often called molecular scissors, allows us to precisely edit DNA. It's a game changer for treating genetic diseases and developing new biotechnologies. But designing the optimal guide RNA to direct these scissors to the correct DNA sequence can still be challenging. AI comes to the rescue. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast genomic data to predict the most effective and specific guide RNAs, minimizing off-target edits and maximizing efficiency. This is crucial for ensuring the safety and efficacy of gene therapies. Imagine a future where AI helps correct genetic mutations responsible for diseases like cystic fibrosis or Huntington's with unprecedented precision. Point 3. Synthetic biology and de novo design. Synthetic biology is about designing and constructing new biological parts, devices, and systems, or redesigning existing natural biological systems for useful purposes. Think of it like programming a computer, but with biological components instead of silicon chips. We're not just editing existing life, we're designing new life forms or new functions from the ground up. This is where AI truly shines in its creative potential. AI models can learn the fundamental rules of biological design and then propose novel protein structures, metabolic pathways, or even entire synthetic organisms with desired functionalities. Want bacteria that can produce biofuels more efficiently? Or yeast that can churn out new medicines? AI can help design the genetic circuits to make that happen. This is still a nascent field, but the potential is enormous for industries ranging from sustainable manufacturing to environmental remediation. 4. Personalized medicine. One size does not fit all in medicine. Our genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environment all influence how we respond to treatments. Personalized medicine aims to tailor healthcare to the individual. AI bioengineering is a cornerstone of this vision. By analyzing a patient's unique genomic data, proteomic profile, and even their microbiome, AI can predict their susceptibility to certain diseases, their likely response to specific drugs, and even recommend highly personalized lifestyle interventions. This moves us away from generalized treatments towards highly targeted, effective healthcare. The ethical quandaries and challenges. Now, as exciting as all this sounds, we cannot ignore the profound ethical implications and significant challenges that come with rewriting life's code. The power to design life raises fundamental questions. What are the boundaries? Should we be creating new organisms? What if engineered organisms escape into the environment with unforeseen consequences? The concept of designer babies, while currently far from reality, sparks intense debate about genetic enhancement and societal equity. Beyond ethics, there are technical hurdles. Biological systems are incredibly complex and often unpredictable. AI models, while powerful, are only as good as the data they're trained on. Biases in data can lead to biased or ineffective solutions. We also need robust regulatory frameworks to ensure responsible innovation and prevent misuse. And, of course, accessibility is a major concern. If these advanced therapies and technologies are incredibly expensive, will they only be available to a select few, exacerbating health inequalities? Despite these challenges, the trajectory of AI bioengineering points towards a future with incredible potential. Imagine a world where we can cure previously incurable diseases by precisely editing faulty genes. We can create sustainable biomaterials that replace plastics and reduce our environmental footprint. We can engineer crops that are more resilient to climate change and feed a growing global population. We can even develop entirely new ways to generate energy or clean up pollution using specially designed microorganisms. This isn't just about prolonging life, it's about improving the quality of life, understanding ourselves and our planet better, and solving some of humanity's most pressing problems. The collaboration between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence is unlocking biological secrets that were once unimaginable. The journey of AI bioengineering is just beginning. It's a field that demands careful consideration, ethical dialogue, and multidisciplinary collaboration. But one thing is clear: the ability to read, write, and rewrite the very code of life, empowered by artificial intelligence, is perhaps the most profound technological advancement of our time. What are your thoughts on AI bioengineering? Are you excited about the possibilities or concerned about the risks? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge science, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.